Good morning students. Today we are discussing about the topic is cell. Okay, what is cell? Cell are the basic fundamental unit of life. Then cell is the building block of living organism. Okay, basic unit. The important, the key point is basic unit. Cell is the basic unit of living things. Okay, what are the living things? Well, living things means human beings, tiger, rabbit, elephant, etc. That are they all living things. Okay, in so for example, bricks. No, we are building the house with bricks. We are using the more number of bricks so to build the houses. Then only can build the house. Okay, brick is giving to the structure to the house. Okay, so that the small cell is called building block is called as a cell. So that basic unit of the house is bricks. Okay, so that similarly for example human beings, we are for example we are seeing the house. Okay, so that the basic unit of the house is brick. Okay, that similarly for human beings, cell is the basic unit of living things. Okay, for every living things having the cells. Okay, so cells only used to for giving structural things. Okay, for example we are having hand. No, they are having the structural. No, so that cells only giving the structural to the body. Then functional. Okay, the functioning. No, see my finger is functioning. No, so we can walk, we can run. Okay, I can fold. No, so that the function is giving to the body is cell. Okay, so that cell only giving the functional and structural things to the body. Okay, then cells only creating the energy, consuming the energy to the body. Okay, then after that the cells are genetic information, transferring genetic information. Okay, so that's so many number of things doing cell in our human body. We can see later that. Okay, now you understand that example. Okay, now you can understand what is cell. Okay, so cell, what is definition of cell? Cell is defined as the smallest basic unit of life that is responsible for our life processes. Okay, correct only. No, for cell is used for our life processes. Then we can talk, walk, run. No, so that cell is only the reason. Okay, you all understand the what is cell. Okay, you understand? Then we can see the next one. Okay, who is invented, discovered the cell? Okay, who is it discovered in 1665? Cell is discovered by a Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke in 1665, actually he doesn't have the proper microscope. That time he made one handmade microscope. Okay, then he researched with small things. Okay, see, first in 1665 he made a small one handmade microscope. Then he researched and observed with what kind of things for we are using in my house. We are also, you can, if you have the microscope, mean we will see observed so many things. No, the same thing he did. Who is did? Robert Hooke. Okay, he researched with so many kind of things. Then one day he researched and observed with one bottle. Okay, that bottle with cork he observed with. Then he find out the one thing that is looking like a honeycomb. Okay, that is look like a, see, blocking, no, so the honeycomb is like a honeycomb. Okay, then finally he realized that is a cell. Okay, he only named that block is called a cell. No, he only named the, I said no, we can see the nucleus. After that, no, this part is called a nucleus. What is nucleus? Nucleus hold the, what is nucleus? Hold the genetic informations and necessary for reproduction and cell growth of living things. Okay, then this part is called the endoplasmatic reticulum. Then that is called a cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a fluid. Okay, each cell contains a fluid called a cytoplasm, which is enclosed by a membrane, cell membranes. Okay, the cytoplasm enclosed by a cell membranes. Then each cell replicates itself independently. Okay, then they are known as a building block of our life. Then cell structure support a body of organism. Nucleus, already say no, nucleus hold the genetic information for reproduction and cell growth. Okay, then very important, mitochondria is used for energy transaction for survival of the cell. Okay, then this part is called a Golgi apparatus. Okay, every cell has a one nucleus. Every cell has a one nucleus. Then membranes bond organelle in the cytoplasm. How you understand? Then cells ranges size 0.001 millimeter to nearly 150 millimeter across. Now you can see the size and shape of the cell. Okay, cell or the not same. Okay, cell different sides of cells in our human body or a living things. Okay, what is the smallest cell? Smallest cell is the mycoplasma, that is 0.3 micrometer. Then largest cell is egg of ostrich, 50 centimeter, that is the biggest. Okay, longest cell is a nerve cells, 100 centimeter. Then human red blood cells is a 7 micrometer. Bacteria cell 3 to 5 micrometer. Okay, see, type of cells, two type of cells. Okay, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells means without nucleus, for example bacteria. Eukaryotic cells with nucleus, planet, animals, and animal cells. No, so what is the difference? Means made up of without nucleus, eukaryote is made up of with nucleus. That is the difference. Okay, thank you.